welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. I love to do home decor and I like to keep it on a budget. So today's video I'm going to share with you just kind of like a Christmas vlog of me decorating my space for Christmas. I do keep things pretty minimal because my space is small. I don't like things to be like overcrowded. So we'll see what I can get done in this pretty small space. I probably won't be buying anything new. We'll see. I may go to Trader Joe's and just get like a couple wreaths or garland from there that's like fresh cut. But other than that, I'm probably going to just use what I have and just keep it super simple. So let's jump into this video. So I pulled out my tree and all of my decor, which really isn't that much. I just have one box. And then I moved my sofa over because I want to try this tree back in this corner in front of this slatted wall. And my sister is currently in the hospital, so I FaceTimed with her as I unpacked all of my Christmas decor. I don't really have a lot of ornaments, but I made some DIY ornaments like a few years back on my YouTube channel, so I'll share those videos, but they were like super simple, just like this. And I made some with like pine cones. And then I have like very few ornaments that were given to me. So this one's like a little Bible one, which I love. And then this one's from Bethlehem or from Israel. And then I made some bell ornaments, super rusty bells. And then I have this one, which was also a really pretty one, which has like the nativity scene on it. And then some more like DIY. These were like little Christmas tree ones I made. These ones don't really look like they held up too well. These I got from Hobby Lobby. I love these so much. They're little like reindeer antlers. And then I made these little like macrame angels, which are super cute, and I'll probably use those. And then like some random like macrame feathers and stuff like that. It looks like some of them are missing. I don't know what happened to all of my ornaments, but I've got some in here, so we'll just work with what we've got. These were all like dried floral ones that I made a few years back. So somehow after I dug out my Christmas tree, I had all the pieces and then I lost the base of it and I cannot find it anywhere. So I ended up putting it inside of this basket that I had, and I'm just gonna fill the bottom with pillows to kind of hold it up, and then I'll just cover it later. I think for next year, I do want to start collecting some more ornaments and maybe even DIYing some more ornaments that feel a little bit more my style, as my style has kind of changed some. But for this year, I'm enjoying just using what I have and kind of embracing kind of like maybe my last year using some of these things. So after I finished the tree, I wanted to add something over here on the sideboard. I had this jute runner, so I thought that would be a fun little switch up from just having the regular wood. I did keep most of my decor the same just because I don't have anywhere to really store it. So I'm just gonna keep using it and just add a little pop of Christmas with adding these Christmas lights around the mirror. And then I'm gonna bring over my unique little nativity scene that was carved in Israel that I really love, and I'm gonna put it right here at the center of this sideboard. So in the yard here we have some oranges, so I'm gonna grab a few. so that I could do the orange garland. It was so chaotic. Since I didn't have as much decor and ornaments as I thought I would bake some oranges to get some dried orange slices to create some ornaments and little pops of color throughout the room. And I just Googled a recipe online. It's very simple to slice them and bake them at like 100 or 250 degrees for like an hour. So I'm wanting to hang something green over this window. I really wanted to get fresh garland, but I just feel like it's kind of a waste since Christmas is right around the corner. And I already had this, so I'm gonna try to utilize this and make it work. And yeah, let's try this out. I think I'm just gonna use string to try to tie it on, and we'll see.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Since my space is small and I use my surfaces for cooking and getting ready and things like that, I tried not to put too much stuff on my surfaces, but that also made me want to hang something really fun over the island just to add some decor over here on this side of the room. And so I created this little piece using a wooden dowel and this extra green garland that I had. I put in some dried oranges that we just made and some lights, and that's pretty much it. These are battery powered lights, so they don't need to plug in, and I just hung them over the island. Next up, to finish up the window decor, I wanted to put together these DIY snowflakes that I made out of paper bags a few years back that I still have, and all I need to do to put them back together is kind of tape them and add a string to hang them from. So I'm just using a two-sided tape and then putting the string in so that I can hang them from the window.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is pretty late here. I kind of got started late, but it's like 10 p.m. But I just wanted to do a little sign out before I leave so I can edit this video and get it up as soon as possible. My favorite part about this little Christmas decor was doing the thing over the island. I love to do just random things that are like hanging. So I've done that a couple years ago, and so I wanted to try it out again, just in a bigger scale, and so that was really fun. And yeah, let me know what your favorite thing was from this decor. If you got any inspo, let me know in the comments. I love you guys. I hope you have an amazing holiday season. Keep spreading the love and light, and I will catch you on the next one.
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas.